Good morning, geometry. It is Thursday the 7th, and we are going to do a little review foldable. This would have been a foldable piece of paper had you had it on paper, and it's going to go right into your notebook. In fact, I think it's already, no, just an image of it is there, and we're going to share it. Okay, so pull this up, and then we're going to fill it out together. Okay, we're going to start with what is a ratio. Okay, a ratio is a comparison of two or more quantities. Written as, now we've got a couple options. You can use the fraction bar, you can use a colon, or you can use the word 2. 4 to 3, 4 to 3, 4 to 3. And a ratio must be in simplest form. Okay, let's go over to the right. Write a ratio in simplest form. Football player played 62 season games and they won 34. What is the ratio of wins to losses? So we got 34 wins. Well, and then we got to do 62 minus 34, 28 losses. So then we need to simplify that. What divides both 34 and 28? Well, I think that's just 2. Okay, so 2 goes into both of those. So I've got 17 to 14, and that's in simplest form. So that is the ratio. So you can write it in whichever method you prefer, but they are all the same ratio, wins to losses. Okay, so then we go down to extended ratio. It's a comparison of 3 or more quantities. And it's written in the colon form. Okay. A ratio of the measures of the 3 angles of a triangle is 3 to 7 to 10. Find the measure of the largest angle. So, again, like I talked about in the notes, all of these are multiplied by some factor, and we don't know what that is, so we're going to call that factor x. So it's 3 times something, 7 times something, and 10 times something. But we do know that the angles of a triangle add up to equal 180. So that is your equation, 3x plus 7x plus 10x. So then we get 20x equals 180. So x equals 9. So all of these angles are multiplied by 9. So then our smallest angle is going to be 27, 3 times 9. Our middle angle is going to be 63, 7 times 9. But it's asking for the measure of the largest angle, and that's 10 times 9, so 90 degrees. So this happened to be a right triangle. Okay, and then we have the last one. What is a proportion? An equation that states 2 ratios are equal to each other. And it is written as 2 fractions. And then for any proportion, we can cross multiply. So for any proportion, AD is going to equal BC. And if you want to put the little multiplication signs in there, you can. Okay, so then we're going to come over here and cross multiply. 10 times x plus 9, or minus 9, so those are the extremes, times the means. 10x minus 90 equals snoop equals 30x minus 135. So 20x equals 45. Yes. So I got x equals 2.25. And that solves the proportion. Okay. So now I want you to link this into your notebook. Of course, it's not going to let me move that. So you're going to press that little link button up at the top. Okay. Right there. Copy that link that comes up. And then go into your ST1 notes. ST Notes. It's in your Google Drive. You can just search ST Notes and it should pop up. And this is ST1, and I'm pretty sure it's already there. So I've got the picture there, but it doesn't do anything if you don't link it. So click on the picture, get the blue box, and then do Control K and insert that link. So then your notes will be linked into your document. Also, you should have linked, I don't remember if I told you this in the last video, link those notes that we've been handwriting on, the geometry coach notes that we've been doing for the last 2 days. Stick those over here, and then you'll have all your notes in one place. Okay, so for the rest of the time, we're working on that ST1 assignment that we have, getting done what we can up to this point. Okay, I will see you the last 10 minutes of class in the Google Meet.